Hey everybody, it is Tuesday and Chris and I are here with you to share with you our Tuesday tips about diffusers because there's so many on the market and it can be overwhelming how many and which one to choose from. So I highly recommend, and I'm sure Chris does too, is as easy or cheap as it can be to get something at Amazon or TJ Maxx. It's really important to have a good diffuser because those you just don't know how long they're going to last, and you can't call customer service and say, hey, can you help me replace this diffuser, it's not working correctly. dōTERRA will do that. So we wanted to kind of touch on a couple of diffusers, introduce them to you, because it is one of the three ways we can use dōTERRA essential oils is aromatically, which is done through diffusers. So Chris, you want to share with us one of your favorite diffusers?
Sure. I am going to share this little guy here. Oops. This is the Iris diffuser. I take it traveling. It's just got the little tiny plug in the back, and it doesn't fill up. It's awesome. It's really, really quiet. It will run solid for 3 hours, or if you do the intermittent, it goes for 6 hours. You can have like the ambient light. There's I think 7 different lights that with it, but this is just a really, really awesome one for traveling. So I really like that one.
Love it. Yeah, I also too have a little travel companion. This is dōTERRA's Rome car diffuser. I keep this one in my car. It runs continuously or intermittently, 20 seconds on, 25 seconds off. I always think it's broken and I always hit the button again because I forget. What else? Yeah, and you don't need a whole lot of oils, just 1 or 2 drops with the car diffuser. It has like the little plug in there. So I use a USB to keep it powered. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry, my earpiece fell off and it like totally threw me off. What else can I say about it? Yeah, it's just very lovely to have in your car when you're on your way to work, or
Or car trips.
our
Keep
little
the
car trips.
little bit of
Yes,
peppermint going, so no nausea. There you go.
exactly. So that's our Tuesday tip for you guys. Happy diffusing, and stay tuned for more diffuser and diffusing tips. Okay, thanks everybody. Have a great day.
Bye.